Hi everyone, it's Jarrett Solomon from the CTWM Investment Committee. I'm here with Megan Trask, who is the chairperson of our committee. And together we can think of no more exciting way to welcome you to the holiday season than by sharing with you a tactical shift that we have approved to our target allocations. This one actually involves a new asset class, so maybe some of you will find this one particularly interesting. So on that note, Megan, take it away.
Thanks, Jarrett. One of the trends we've been talking about with clients that we're seeing in the market these days is this idea of dispersion. We're looking at different asset classes, whether it's sectors in the market, geographic regions, different size companies, and we're seeing just a really massive variance in returns and valuations. Previous to this environment, these asset classes were kind of moving in lockstep, and now we're seeing them go off in every which way. So an example of this dispersion that is leading to a change in the portfolio is in the real estate asset class. So if we look historically at real estate as an asset class, they've produced significant returns over the long term that rival large cap stocks in the US. What's different in this environment is that they appear to be trading at a pretty significant discount to large cap stocks. So all else being equal, if there's an asset class that's trading at a discount and it's produced significant long-term returns, that looks like a pretty attractive buying opportunity. But we want to look underneath the hood a little bit more, because cheap isn't always better. And when we look underneath the hood of the real estate as an asset class, we see a little bit of this kind of baby being thrown out with the bathwater situation, meaning there are some sectors within the real estate market that face significant headwinds in this environment. I think all of us can probably take a guess as to what those sectors are. Think hospitality, think brick and mortar retail, think commercial office buildings in cities. But it turns out that these sectors of the real estate space are really pretty small. Sectors of the area, the real estate market, that are actually represent a much larger area of real estate and should produce better returns over time are sectors like data management facilities, shipping and logistics. These are areas that have actually significant tailwinds behind them. The balance sheets and recurring revenues in the form of rents look really strong. There's strong demographic trends behind them. So again, when we really look underneath the hood of real estate in general, it does look like an opportunity to buy high quality assets at a discount.
Yeah, so I think just to sum up some of the themes that you're mentioning, we view this as an opportunity to add a lowly correlated asset class. It's not perfectly correlated to other segments of your portfolio, so in doing so, you're enhancing diversification. We've been looking at real estate for a while, I think it's fair to say. We do think now is an opportune time to move both on the buy side and the sell side. We'll be taking a little bit of from domestic large cap stocks that, as we've seen, have performed so well recently, and we'll be introducing it into the real estate sector where recent performance hasn't been as strong and therefore valuations are more compelling. We didn't touch at all on yield. We can expect the yield on the portfolio to increase a little bit with this tactical shift. And also, similar to stocks, real estate is very broad. So there's different types of sectors, as Megan pointed out. And as a result of that, thought that using an active manager in this space would be more effective than just passively investing in the index. So as always, the particulars of this shift will depend on your individual circumstances. And also, as always, please feel free to reach out to us at any time with any questions. So on behalf of Megan and the rest of the investment committee, we hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Thanks.
Thanks, everybody. Stay well.